wanna spend some time with you. Oh yeah, oh yeah. You're always on my mind. Yes, I wanna spend some time with you. Oh yeah, oh yeah. You're like a beautiful flower coming out of the garden. Every time your eyes meet mine, I keep beaming. Can't you see that I want you, girl? Yeah, yeah. I wanna hold you in my arms, keep you warm, yeah. Keep you warm, yeah. Just imagine me and you, all the things that we could do, yeah. Let's get away, find a place where we can play. Yeah. You're always on my mind. Girl, I wanna spend some time with you. Oh yeah, oh yeah. You're always on my mind. Yes, I wanna spend some time with you. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Pretty little African woman, in my arms where you belong. Don't keep me waiting too long. I need you beside me, like the Father who guides me. Come on, baby, let's have a one-on-one. Yeah, you're always on my mind. Girl, I wanna spend some time with you. Oh yeah, oh yeah. You're always on my mind. Girl, I wanna spend some time with you. When you call me, I can hear you lonely. I want you just like how you want me. Save it all for me. You're always on my mind. Girl, I wanna spend some time with you. Oh yeah, oh yeah. You're always on my mind. Girl, I wanna spend some time with you. Oh yeah, oh yeah. You're like a beautiful flower coming out of the garden. Yeah. Every time your eyes meet mine, I keep beaming. Can't you see that I want you, girl? Yeah, yeah. I wanna hold you in my arms, keep you warm, yeah. Keep you warm, yeah. Just imagine me and you, all the things that we could do, yeah. Let's get away, find a place where we can play. Yeah. You're always on my mind. Girl, I wanna spend some time with you. Oh yeah, yeah. You're always on my mind. Girl, I wanna spend some time with you. Oh yeah, yeah. You're always on my mind. Girl, I wanna spend some time with you.
Come like that, poof me out in the style. Trust me.
Oh, it's raining. Raining love again. Raining.
Raining, raining.
Gee. Oh, it's raining. On my roof while in my bed. Raining.
Raining, raining.
Hey, check this. 'Cause I'm in the mood. The time is right and I'm ready for that cruise. Just to be with you, lady. I've got it all worked out. I know what to say, what to do, so you can scream out my name. Shadow in the pain. Let me stop for a while. Let me reflect on the things that I know you like, my dear. Hey. Just one more time. Let me do what I do, so sit back and relax and enjoy the play. Hear me, baby. Oh, it's raining.
Raining,
Raining love again. Raining.
raining, raining.
On my roof while in my bed. Raining.
Raining,
Hey, inside, outside, all over my head. Raining.
raining, raining.
It's pouring again now. Now. Baby, now. Wow.
You don't know the lady said.
Now I got you where I want you. I know where to touch, where to rub. As I take off your shoe. Ooh, let me rub your shoulders. Run my fingers down your spine. I'm heading for your treasure, baby. Now it's your turn. Come and teach the lessons you teach, baby. I wanna learn. Oh, it's raining, raining love again, raining, yeah. Now it's raining on my roof while in my bed, raining. Look here, I'm in the mood. The time is right and I'm ready for that cruise. Just to be with you, lady. Just one more time. Let me do what I do, so sit back and relax and enjoy the game, baby, baby. Because it's raining, raining love again, raining, raining on my roof while in my bed. Hey, there's something wrong with me. Every time I'm alone with you, you keep talking about you loving me. Baby, your proclaim has blown my mind. Why don't we stop all the talking, girl? Why don't we stop wasting time? I've had my share of lovers, and some are saying, damn girl. But if you think you can turn me on, girl, I just wish that you would, cause you keep telling me this and telling me that. You say once I'm with you, I never go back. You say there's a lesson that you wanna teach. Here I am, baby, practice what you preach. It's just you and me. So many things I can do to you, in so many ways I can please. Hey, hey, babe, it's your mood, dear. Why don't we start turning down the lights and show me just what you can do? I've had my share of lovers, and some saying, damn girl. But if you think you can turn me on, girl, I just wish that you would, cause you keep telling me this and telling me that. You say once I'm with you, I never go back. You say there's a lesson that you wanna teach. Here I am, baby, practice what you preach.
I'm telling you that, 'cause what's happened with you, you never go back. There is a lesson I'm gonna teach.
Here I am, baby, practice what you preach.
Show me what you want to do, baby.
I've had my share of lovers, and some saying, damn girl. But if you think you can turn me on, girl, I just wish that you would, cause you keep, oh, you just keep, no, you just keep telling me this and telling me that. You say once I'm with you, I'll never go back. You say there's a lesson that you wanna teach. Here I am, baby, practice what you preach.
I'm telling you that,
Really?
'cause what's happened with you, you never go back.
Is it?
There is a lesson I'm gonna teach.
Here I am, baby, practice what you preach.
I'm telling you that, 'cause what's happened with you, you never go back.
Is it
There is a
clean?
lesson I'm gonna teach.
Here I am, baby, practice what you preach. I got a girl on the other side of town, waiting
little thing I've known. She must be heaven sent. Oh yeah. You're so lovable, huggable, and so touchable. It's you that I need right now. Be up, and you're incredible, irresistible, and so kissable. It's you that I need right now. Oh baby, I've been waiting for you all of my life. Now I've got you here. Oh baby, you don't need to hug your pillow tonight. True love we're gonna share. Oh, yeah, yeah. Cause you're lovable, huggable, touchable. It's you that I need right now. Be up. And you're incredible, irresistible, and so kissable. It's you that I need right now. Oh, let me tell you why. It's just the way that you feel, the way that you smell, the things that you say when I'm not feeling well. Simply amazed by the things that you do. My world is complete with a whisper from you. Lovable, oh yeah, huggable, and so touchable. It's you that I need right now. Be up. And you're incredible, irresistible, and so kissable. It's you that I need right now. Listen, I gotta say, oh, the magic that I see in your eyes could open heaven's gates. Oh yeah. And you were sent as my angel in disguise. I swear it must be fate. Oh yes. Cause you're so lovable, huggable, and so touchable. It's you that I need right now. Oh yeah. And you're incredible, irresistible, so damn kissable. It's you that I need right now. I oh, should I love this woman? Yeah. Oh, she's so damn beautiful.
Continue my work, cause faith without work is dead. And this I know, so gotta get myself together. Face the wet and dusty weather. My heart race has got to be so high, so high, so high. Yeah, I've got to get myself together and face the wet and dusty weather. My meditation has got to be so high, so high. Real hope for the time.
Oh, now. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Stop your fussing and your fighting, brothers. Now's the time for united sisters. Stop your fussing and your fighting, brothers. Oh yeah. Now's the time for united sisters. Said it's time to unite. It's time to live upright. It's time to unite. It's time to live upright. Ooh, look at it. A chain is as strong as its weakest link. Oh yeah. Each one's its brother's keeper. Listen up. Unity is the foundation of survival. Had to let your love come shining through. See, stop the fussing and the fighting, brother. Now's the time for uniting sisters. Whoa. Stop the fussing and the fighting, brother. Now's the time for uniting sisters. Look at it. fighting brothers. Now's the time for uniting sisters. Whoa, 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 ooh, yeah. Allowing them to face the judgment of the world, men, women, boys, and girls. Yeah.
Liberation now. Yeah. Them can't take the botheration. No, no. The people want liberation now. Them can't take the frustration. No, no, no. Oh, what today it will be for all my people to see reality, forgetting all sad memories. Let's deal with what is reality. Say them want liberation now. Yeah. Oh, hey. Can't tell the botheration. No, no, no. Too much confusion. Yeah. Much frustration, oh no. Oh, what today it will be when all my people see reality, forgetting all sad memory. Let's deal with what is reality. Ooh, hold on, yeah. Whoa, Lord. When all my people see reality, forgetting all sad memory. Let's deal with what is reality. Till we got to make a foundation, yeah. Oh no, to have a liberation. Oh no, oh. Each and every man has got to make a plan. Oh, liberation. Whoa, whoa, well, ooh, well, oh Lord, well, yeah, nah. Whoa, well, oh Lord.
Got to get myself together. Yes, can't afford to let my faith go. You know, whenever the sun comes a shining and my sisters are all smiling, the world is a dying. My people are crying. We are living in the love of the Father, living in the house of the Almighty, yeah. Living in the love of the Father, living in the house of the Almighty, yeah. Whoa, 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 whoa. of destruction will never be. Oh no, not unto a wise man who will see. Yet the fool thinks he knows it all. Here comes later, he stammers and falls. He goes down for a reason. Jack is giving him a beating. To the foundation, he'll have to go down. To the foundation, chant him down. To the foundation, he'll have to go down. To the foundation. Whoa, yeah. Ooh, well, yeah. Ooh, well, yeah, yeah. The days of destruction will never be. Oh no, not unto a wise man who will see. Yet the fool thinks he knows it all. Here comes later, he stumbles and falls. He goes down for a reason. Jack is giving him a beating. To the foundation, he'll have to go down. To the foundation. Be still, my people, be still. For the devil is rising, he wants us to do his will. By filling our hearts with anger, he wants to divide and conquer. So be still, my people, be still. There is good, there is God in the hearts of everyone. By the way that reflects, you know we should understand. Oh, the running up and down won't help in this time. We all have to be positive in our mind. Chill, my people, be still. Oh, now. Be still, my people, be still. For the devil is arising, he wants us to do his will. By filling our hearts with anger, he wants to divide and conquer. So be still, my people, be still. The heart of everyone. By the way that reflects, you know we should understand. Boy, the running up and down won't help in this time. We all got to be positive in our mind. Chill, my people, be still. Be still, my people, be still. For the devil is arising, he wants us to do his will. By filling our hearts with anger, he wants to divide and conquer. Jesus, my people, be still. Oh, chill out, my people. Be still, oh, Don't you know we were made for each other? What I'm saying to you is true, girl. I couldn't give my love to no other. No, no. Now when the rain is falling and my sun won't shine, on the phone I am calling, I got you on my mind, hoping I can get you online. Those other girls that are calling can't get me on the phone. I'm not giving in, I'm in love with you alone. My desire is to have you at home. You're much more than a baby mother. Now darling, a gift to me from the Father. Give praises to Almighty Jaja for bringing you here. Oh na 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 na. Oh na 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 na. Na na na. Oh na 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 na. If you could see what I'm really feeling, not for a minute would you be doubting what I'm saying. I've got no more time for playing. No, baby, all my playing days are over. Ooh, we've got to settle down. I can't live my life alone. Please say hello, cause a house is not a home when you're sitting there all alone. Got to catch a flight in the day I'm coming home. Can't take no longer being away from home. Now baby, will you pick up the phone? Wanna raise us some little children. You know the children of the future. Baby, we're gonna teach them their roots and culture. And any question they'll ask, we'll answer. Now, now, my love belongs to you, girl. Don't you know we were made for each other, baby? What I'm saying to you is true, girl. I couldn't give my love to no other. No, no. Ooh, na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na.
Oh yeah. This is for my baby face. You got a cute baby face. This is for my baby face. Yeah, 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 yeah. Now listen now. We have so many things in common, yet we are two different people. We just love being around each other, yet we give each other space to grow. Step by step, we are getting stronger. Breath by breath, we are learning about each other. I don't know where this will go, but I'm so glad we are taking it slow. This is for my baby face. You got a cute baby face. This is for my baby face. A certain mystique is there when we are together. The air is so charged and everything seems so fine. Wherever this leads, I'm willing to follow. Just lead me gently by my hand. Step by step, we are getting stronger. Breath by breath, we are learning about each other. One more time, I don't know where this will go, but I'm so glad we are taking it slow. Baby face, you got a cute baby face. my baby, my sweet baby.
Cause when a man love a woman and a woman love a man, a judge a blessing.
When I love you and you love me, a judge a blessing.
Cause when a boy love a girl and a girl love a boy, a judge a blessing.
Like I love you and you love me, a judge a blessing.
Well, it is a must. Loving you, my dear, it's my life priority. Just bless me with your smile, I love your simplicity. I'm dreaming of tomorrow for me and you. I'll make you my reality, girl.
I will be the woman to satisfy your need. You can count on me, though thick and thin, supporting you do everything.
Cause when a man love a woman and a woman love a man, a judge a blessing.
Oh, like I love you and you love me, a judge a blessing.
Cause when a boy love a girl and a girl love a boy, a judge a blessing.
Like I love you and you love me, a judge a blessing.
Well, some of them are trying to confuse your mind, but diamond and gold not always a shine. Trust my heart and for sure you'll be mine. Look up to the sky, that a sign. Well,
but that is just a waste of time. Them so can break down love divine. I am yours and you are mine, forever till the end of time.
Cause when a man love a woman and a woman love a man, a judge a blessing.
Yeah, like I love you and you love me, blessing.
Cause when a boy love a girl and a girl love a boy, a judge a blessing.
Yeah, like I love you and you love me, you're blessing.
Will stay afloat. Girl, you are a queen to me, yes.
And I'm so proud that you're my king. Oh,
you bring our visions to reality, what?
And now you are my shining star. Yes, you are. You
call me sugar, call me baby.
I will call you.
Call me papa, call me dada. Call me every time you need me. Call me every time you want me. Call me sugar, call me baby. Call me papa, call me dada. Yes, heaven open up and bless us. Our love is blazing like a burning flame.
my dream.
DJ.
Anytime you need a lover, call on me. I'll be waiting. Anytime you need a lover, call on me. My heart is aching. Call on me. Anytime you want to. Call on me. Baby girl, I want you. We grew together from way back when. She was 9 and I was 10. She used to be my next door neighbor. She even went to school with my sister Michaela. Yeah. Now we're 2 grown folks. Years gone by and we still keep close. Loving me, I'm loving her the same. I just want you to know that I love you so. Anytime you need a lover, call on me. I'll be waiting. Anytime you need a lover, call on me. My heart is aching. Call on me. Anytime you want to. Call on me. Baby girl, I want you.
Love and life, they met the same. We were young and playing games. I fell in love the first time I saw you. And I don't ever worry cause I know I can call you. Yeah. And now we're 2 grown folks. Years gone by and we still keep close. He's loving me, I'm loving him the same. Cause
anytime you need a lover, call on me. I'll be waiting. Anytime you need a lover, call on me. My heart is aching. Call on me. Anytime you want to. Call on me. Baby girl, I want you. Alright. Ooh, yeah, yeah.
So if you're not loving someone, you're wasting
time. Gotta know from my woman just the other day. Say you got to return on home. Come on, baby, cause I need my love. I need my squeeze. Need my love all night long. I need my love. Need my squeeze. I need my love all night long.
Love away when springtime comes around, and when the roses are bursting out on the ground.
No, you always have nothing to give. No, that's not the way one should live. You're living in your selfish world, and no matter if you're a boy or girl, no, cold-hearted fools. Well, can you tell me what you've been fighting for? Is it material things or a necessary tribal war? Yeah, it's time for all these things we put to an end, and make one and all be friends. Oh yeah, whoa, cold-hearted fool. Oh no, yeah. The sun will shine for you today. So it's best for you to pick up your Bible and pray. Yeah. Cold-hearted fools. Oh yes, forget about them tools. Oh Lord, cold-hearted fools. Showing his own reflection in the water, and thought he could have that bone too. Now that very same day he lost his bone into the water. Water was so deep, the bone he could not recover. No, whoa, that's what greed will do. Yeah. Cold-hearted fools, yeah. Cold-hearted fools, cold-hearted fools. Don't be misled, don't be.
Well now, hey, whoa, well. The promised land, going to the promised land. Yes, the promised land. Oh gosh, now to the promised land. Well, make a step down to Asmara, then we stop in Addis Ababa. Made our way to Shashamani land, riding on the King's Highway to the promised land. Going to the promised land, oh gosh, to the promised land, oh, to the promised land. Well, there's plenty of land for you and I, by and by. Lots of food to share for everyone. No time for segregation in the promised land. Oh gosh, take me to the promised land. It's the promised land, oh, that's the promised land. Oh, 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 yeah. Said we're riding on the King's Highway from Cairo to Kenya. over to the promised land. Oh God, share the promised land. Yeah, the promised land. Oh. And I said to myself, give a thanks for the prophet God. For he gave me the teaching so I could see the reality of my true being. And David said, there's a lot of work to be done, oh gosh, in the promised land. Yeah, talking about the promised land. Yes, to the promised land. The promised land. Moving to the promised land. Oh, the promised land. Oh, the promised land. Yeah, the promised land. Oh, yeah. Oh, brother man, what are you doing for the promised land? Gotta take your stand and let the brightness keep on. Yeah, there's work to be done. No, you can't run. Got a job to be done, so you gotta do it even a little by little. Yes, the promised land. Moving to the promised land. Yeah, the promised land. Moving to the promised land. Prophets of old said the west got to perish. Yeah. Oh, don't let your hopes and aspirations come before you. No way. Gotta go, gotta go, got to go, I got to go, got to go to the promised land. Oh gosh, in the promised land. Oh, I want to them. Hey Lord, Gideon soldiers marching and for war, for equal rights and justice. We'll fight it like never before. Rise your Rasta band, His Majesty is before. Who guides and protect, don't you ever forget, Jah never let us down. The love of Jah protect us, the powers of Jah surround us. Wherever we are, Jah is and all is well. Thank the Father for His glory. Jah love protect us, the powers of Jah surround us. Wherever we are, Jah is and all is well. Yeah. Take on the battle to the Eden, cause Rastafari bless. You're not wrong, my brethren. Put vampires to the test. Build up a white collar prison. That's poor people request. Jah guide and protect, don't you ever forget, He never let us down. The love of Jah protect us, the powers of Jah surround us. Wherever we are, Jah is and all is well. Thank the Father for His glory. Jah love protect us, the powers of Jah surround us. Wherever we are, Jah is and all is well. Yeah, the same blood way around you on the vein. Run through the cops and soldier man design. We want the politician them fi know that equal rights and justice have to flow. Cause what you reap is what you really sow. And tell the Rasta youths them not to bow. Whether you happy or you a show. Cause unity is strength that you fi know. The love of Jah protect us, the powers of Jah surround us. Wherever we are, Jah is and all is well. Thank the Father for His mercy. Jah love protect us, the powers of Jah surround us. Wherever we are, Jah is and all is well. Thank the Father for His mercy. Hey Lord, Jah Gideon soldiers marching and for war, for equal rights and justice. We'll fight it like never before. Rise your Rasta band, His Majesty is before. Who guides and protect, don't you ever forget, Jah never let us down. The love of Jah protect us. The powers of Jah surround us wherever we are. Jah is and all is well. Thank the Father for His glory. Jah love protect us. The powers of Jah surround us wherever we are. Jah is and all is well. Yeah. Take on the batches. Could I have your bad man friends, I mean no want that. Could I have no fun for me ends, I mean no want that. Instead I chose to humble myself, gather my wealth, and spread good love to the people. Me could have take a life if me didn't want to, but through them things that we come back, come haunt you. I realize that love is the way, end of the day. Oh, people must learn to respect people. When I must think I saw no deal with people. Touch a 90, then you must get a beater. When I better look at the time, read between the lines. Don't know if you respect people. When I must think I saw no deal with people. Touch a 90, then you must get a beater. When I better look at the time, read between the lines. Blood stain your hand doesn't make you a man. So when you intimidate, you only separate. So get your living straight. No one is perfect. I can't deny. Go seek the Father. You need some love up in your life. People must learn to respect people. When I must think I saw no deal with people. Don't miss a Cruz and then you must get a beater. But I better look at the time, read between the lines. Don't know if you respect people. When I must think I saw no deal with people. Touch a 90, then you must get a beater. But I better look at the time, read between the lines. Hey, oh, na 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 na. Come on, come on. Oh, hey, na 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 na. Could I have your bad man friends, I mean no want that. Could I have no fun for me ends, I mean no want that. Instead I chose to humble myself, gather my wealth, and spread good love to the people. Me could have take a life if me didn't want to, but through them things that we come back, come haunt you. I realize that love is the way, end of the day. Oh, people must learn to respect people. When I must think I saw no deal with people. Touch a 90, then you must get a beater. When I better look at the time, read between the lines. Don't know if you respect people. When I must think I saw no deal with people. Touch a 90, then you must get a beater. When I better look at the time, read between the lines. Blood stain your hand doesn't make you a man. Lift me up, oh child. I'm praying to you now, Lord. Strong, I sing, oh Jah, to carry on for my love, Jah. All I'm receiving is hate. I sing, oh Jah, keep on strong, I sing, oh Jah, to carry on for my love, Jah. All I'm receiving is hate. I know they see that they just don't care. I can't continue to follow their way. All I wanna do is praise Jah every day.
Judgment is drawing near each time. People can't seem to realize. Going around telling those vicious and dirty lies. I sing, oh Jah, keep on strong. I say, oh Jah, to carry on for my love, Jah. All I'm receiving is pain.
I sing, oh Jah, keep on strong. I sing, oh Jah, to carry on for my love, Jah. All I'm receiving is hate. Why do the heat and the rain Nevertheless, it's a downright shame. I sing, oh Jah, keep us strong. I sing, oh Jah, to carry on for my love, Jah. All I'm receiving is hate.
Friends, don't forget, if your word deserts you, in the end it's gonna hurt you. Oh, yes, that is true. Mr. Public Speaker, Mr. Smile and Wave, tell me how do you sleep, sir? Do you feel as if you're in your grave? Mr. Public Speaker, Mr. Smile and Wave, tell me how is your conscience? Are you coward or brave? Just say no man can be true attacked and got no courage to stand apart when being encouraged by evil people to see their evil is true. How can you all be sitting there, even upon the Bible you said that you protect, be true and serve, only give the youth them guns some nerve. Mr. Public Speaker, Mr. Smile and Wave, tell me how do you sleep, sir? Do you feel as if you're in your grave? Mr. Public Speaker, Mr. Smile and Wave, tell me how is your conscience? Are you coward or brave? You say you don't wanna keep us apart, and divide and rule is not in your heart. Yet still another youth a get killed, for another youth belly get filled. Every time you come around, election is near. You making big promises filled with a tear. Once more your heart is saying you care, but my people start seeing you clear. Mr. Public Speaker, Mr. Smile and Wave, tell me how do you sleep, sir? Do you feel as if you're in your grave? Mr. Public Speaker, Mr. Smile and Wave, tell me how is your conscience? Are you coward or brave? Oh, I know that will be there when I call to lead my way. Oh, yes, I know that I'll be there if you call. Jah will guide your way. Careful what you say, careful what you do. If you don't, your words will desert you. Mr. Public Speaker, Mr. Smile and Wave, tell me how do you sleep, sir? Do you feel as if you're in your grave? Mr. Public Speaker, Mr. Smile and Wave.
I run hot, too much bloodshed in the city, too much bloodshed. Some me have to go a hills, go all on it. Too much bloodshed in a kill some city, too much bloodshed. As they break another brother dead, how the youth them so vile? Every machine get pile, every pin rope down and get aisle. Face down no smile, drop it in the wickedest style. Ready to go put you under sile. Say what? Them a youth and no care a damn. Pop it off if we kill another. Real Taliban, parring with the Al-Qaeda gang. Them no miss no target, them turn weapon pan is bloodshed. In the city, too much bloodshed. Some me have to go wild, go all a me. Too much bloodshed. In a kill some city, too much bloodshed. As they break another brother dead. And they prove and proving things. Who a done, who a dapper, who a shut up, who a the king. Lose them, can't win. No righteousness, everyone a sin. Oh, you are a son and lock the big thing. Oh, you are a son get caught in killing. Stop, murder your brother fishing. One above boy, you go learn the thing. Too much bloodshed. In a kill some city, too much bloodshed. Some me have to go wild, go all I make. Too much bloodshed in the city, too much bloodshed. As they break another brother dead. It's just 10 miles out of the city. Remember there is no pity where them kill nitty-gritty. 10 miles, stay out of town. Be a gun around and I get shot down. Walking in the street, it's not safe anymore. Everywhere you turn, base color or moon and jump through window, lie down on floor. Man a weapon like them have gun store. Too much bloodshed in the city, too much bloodshed. Some may have to go wild, go all I make. Too much bloodshed in the city.
They use them now. Wanna mess when them go foreign, one break the law. Babylon go for him, send him back a yard. In at the suffering when him look around, I still bread buttering, cause him now. Wanna mess when him go foreign, them ship him back a yard. In at the suffering, him pick up him gun. Gone on the block again, crime continue on. Yeah, without crime, them courthouse can't run. Before them give you food, them give you gun. All the time, someone gets shot down, a mama will a belly on the ground. Junker said them all afraid to fly down. Now them see so much dead body lie down. Them have the youth them in a jail lockdown. The hearing make enough die young. The youths them now Mulomets when them go foreign, one break the law. Babylon go for him, send him back a yard. In a the suffering when him look around, I still bread buttering, cause him now Mulomets when them go foreign, them send him back a yard. In a the suffering, them pick up him gun. Gone on the block again, crime continue on. Yeah, look now, you will see the youths are living in fantasy. BET and MTV have them dreaming about Benz and Bentley. Them say them not chop no bush, now fuck no land. They not plant no peas, not plant no yam. Them rather rob you 1,000. Within the system, crime just goes on. They use them now. Wanna meds when them go foreign, one break the law. Babylon go for him, send him back a yard. In a the suffering when him look around, I still bread buttering, cause him now. Wanna meds when him go foreign, them ship him back a yard. In a the suffering, them pick up him gun. Camp on the block again, crime continue on. Yeah. Some don't want to see the youths striving at all. Them set up many traps to see them fall. Yeah, yeah. Stand up in life, brother, don't you fall. Cause they don't talk about making life, they only brag about taking life. Them now hold no meds when them go for him, no one break the law. Babylon go for him, send him back a yard. In a the suffering when him look around, I still bread buttering, cause him now hold no meds when him go for him, them ship him back a yard. In a the suffering, they pick up him gun. Gone on the block again, crime continue on. Yeah, without crime, them courthouse can't run. Before them give you food, them give you gun. All the time, someone gets shot down, a mama will a belly on the ground. Junker said them all afraid to fly down. Now them see so much dead body lie down. Them have the youths them in a jail lockdown. The hearing make enough die young. They use them now. Wanna meds when them go foreign, one break the law. Babylon go for him, send him back a yard. In a the suffering when him look around, I still bread buttering, cause him now.